My story on becoming a registered dental hygienist. Hello everyone. I am honored to be your guest speaker for today. My name is Fernique Pinder and I am a registered dental hygienist. I will be sharing with you guys a little bit about my story and how I became a registered dental hygienist. And it is actually an honor to speak with you guys. I always dream of speaking to young people, especially individuals who are in high school and about to graduate. I was made to understand that there are a few of you who are interested in the dental hygiene program. So I really do hope to someday be able to work with you guys in the future and, we can both have fun within this career path. Okay, so please enjoy. And here we go. So first and foremost, let us discuss setting goals, okay? So in order for me to even begin on dental hygiene, I created goals for myself. So my personal goal at the time was to graduate from high school and to become or to get accepted into a dental hygiene program. Then my long-term goal was to get a job in Atlanta and to complete my bachelor's in dental hygiene. Okay? So I just wanted to share my personal and long-term goals so that you can see like how important setting goals are, because now I can say that I'm living, in my dream and these goals actually came true. It just took a little bit more dedication, and that's what this picture here is showing you. So set your goals, make a plan, get to work, stick to it, reach that goal, okay? Perseverance is key. Now, the day in the life of a dental hygienist, okay? So this is basically my schedule, just a little brief schedule so you guys can have an idea of what it's like. So first and foremost, we normally work from 8 to 3, so that's my daily scheduled time to work. And I work from Mondays through Thursdays. So Fridays and Saturday, Sunday are really my days off. I have an extended weekend. That's what I always tell myself. And I honestly love my schedule. Now, let me be honest with you. Not every schedule will be the same. Some will be different, but that's my schedule. Okay, I normally have between 8 to 10 patients per day. Normally, you would never, I don't think I've ever seen anyone extend beyond 10 patients. I know I've been working in this field now for 2 years. I graduated from Valencia in 2019. So it's not something where you would see you have 11 or 12 patients per day, okay? Now, I would advise you that if you do have hectic days where it can be a rush or really, really busy, but you would never have more than 10 patients per day, okay? So our duties are as follows. So we have patient screenings. This normally happens too when a patient is very new to us, their first time, probably getting a cleaning from us. And then we also do x-rays. We remove calculus and plaque, apply sealants and fluorides. We teach oral hygiene strategies, and we do a little bit of office work that would require like documenting on patients or putting patients in the system along with some other manageable activities, okay? Now here's the juice of it all. How to become a registered dental hygienist. So first and foremost, you need a diploma. So graduating right now is very important, okay? Receiving that diploma from high school is important. Step 2, choose a dental hygiene school of your choice. So as for me, I chose Valencia College. For you, it may be different, okay? So as of now, you need to decide on what you want to do. And that goes for any career choice or any career path that you may be willing or wanting to pursue, okay? Step 3, take the licensing examinations, okay? So we call them state or national boards. It's like a 2-part exam. There are 350 multiple choice questions, and the passing mark is a 75 or above, okay? So it's an intense exam, but honestly, once you get into the field, you're going to realize, like, wow, I could have passed that exam with flying colors, okay? But hey, every part of our career has some sort of testing that we have to do. And fun fact, so the salary range for a dental hygienist is from $40,000 to $45,000 per year. So that's the starting off price, okay? So I know I told you guys that Valencia College was my school of choice when I did my Associate of Science in Dental Hygiene, okay? And this right here is just a guide for the program, so to show you some of the requirements. If I could remember clearly, that you had to be 18 years or older, you had to have already applied into Valencia College, like the school itself. So that's how most dental hygiene programs are. So you would have to apply to the school, and then you would have to apply for the program separately. Okay, so it's like two separate applications. Now, the dental hygiene program is very competitive. They normally only take between 25 to 30 students. As for Valencia, they only take 25 students. Some other community colleges may take less. I think I've seen a community college take only 15 students. So it's very competitive, okay? So you have to work really, really, really hard. So this is just so you can see this is how the sheet looks. You can go on their website and look at it even more if this is an interest for you. The plus about Valencia, and this now is what I'm going to show you. So this is their admissions point guide, is that you do not have to take chemistry, okay, in order to get into the program. Really happy for that. But you do have to take your anatomy and physiology 1 and 2 and your microbiologies, okay? So I would say try to get all A's in those courses along with English. And there are some other prerequisites like sociology or humanities and psychology that you would have to take. I call those ones easy peasies, okay? So you, like I said, you can look these up online. And then you also have the cost for the dental hygiene program here as well, okay? So remember these 5 steps. You have set a goal or set goals, okay? Goals are very important. You want to graduate from high school first. Take the TEAS tests and required courses, okay? Consider whether you want an associate or bachelor's degree before applying to schools. Complete the dental hygiene program of choice. And congratulations, you're a registered dental hygienist. And this is a photo of my cap when I graduated. I know it's so pretty, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. I really looked forward to that moment. But if you ever need advice, please feel free to reach out to me or contact me at this number or at this email. That's fhpinder@aspendental.com. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation.